All right, first thing we got to do is drain our coolant. So you're gonna unscrew that and come down here, and the drain is right there. You're just gonna twist it, get a bucket under there, catch your coolant, and gonna get that all drained out so that you're not dropping coolant when you take your water pump out. Next thing we got to do is loosen our brackets, and you can take them completely off if you want to. The brackets for the radiator. You're gonna get those all loosened up and removed. Take off your hoses here and move those to the side so that you can get some wiggle space here and pull this up and out. It can take a little finagling, but it does come up and out once you have this radiator so that you can pull this radiator back. Plastic fan shroud out. Now we're gonna take the bolts off for this plastic piece so that we can get into the fan. So you should have one, let's see, it's kind of hard to see from here. It's going to be like in there. There's going to be 1, 2, 3 right here, like this guy right here. And then I think there's 2 on the bottom down there that you'll see when you get under the truck. All right, I got this little set that helps with dealing with the pulley and breaking bolts and whatnot. This helps with the fan shroud, and this little hook helps with the water pump pulley. Get your fan broke loose in there. You're gonna use this hook. You're gonna hook it into your little holes in there, and you're gonna use your wrench on this part right here, and you're gonna use those to break that loose, and then the fan should spin right off. We got the fan and everything out, and now you just want to take out your belt. There's a spot right here to put a 1/2-inch drive ratchet to loosen the belt, or you can also use the kickstand thing that's over here. So you got 4 bolts there that you got to break. And then under this, after you get those broke and take those out, then you just got the water pump pulley in there, or not the actual water pump. This is the pulley. The actual water pump in there only has 4 bolts. You take those out, and then you're right in there to your front cover. Alright, so first thing we got to do is clean up our surface here. There's a lot of like leftover gasket maker here that I'm going to clean up. I'm going to try to, you want to try not to scrape the surface. So I'm going to get like a little non-abrasive scrub pad and try to clean this up. Alright, got my stuff here. I have a little plastic scraper thing that I'm going to do because I don't think that will damage our surface here. Then I also have some just scrub pads here. This red kind is not super abrasive, where it's not, I don't think it'll scratch it, and then this is even less because that's going to help get us all cleaned up at the end. Alright, now our surface is pretty clean, at least cleaner than it was. We got our gasket here. I don't know if this is a great brand. To be honest, it could be the shittiest brand in the world. I don't really know. But that's the one that my store had that was closest to me, and I wanted to get this knocked out, so bought it. Got some water pump and thermostat housing gasket maker. And I also cleaned the surface in there with my scrub pad a little bit. Tried to smooth this all out and make sure, sorry, can't see. Smooth this all out and make sure that there is no leftover gasket from the last time it was on. I like to just put a little bit of this and just wipe it around the edge. After you got the gasket on and the gasket maker on, you want to put it right in. Don't let it sit around because you want your gasket maker to make a good bond. You want to put this hole facing up, and then you're going to tighten all of these. There's 4 bolts, and they're going to be 17 foot-pounds. So we're going to put this cover back on. We got our hook pulley holder thing here, and we're gonna tighten all 4 of those bolts down to 23 foot-pounds. Okay. Next, you want to put your belt back on. It'll be a lot easier now than after you get your fan and crap all in place because everything's exposed right here. We got our belt on, and we're ready to reinstall our fan. The way I tightened this is I put my hook for the water pump pulley on there and put it over here. And then I have this part in there, like the wrench on this side, and then I just used one hand to push that side down, one hand to push this side down to just really tighten it up there. Next, we're gonna get our plastic piece hooked back up. You got like about 4 or 5 bolts here, 2 on the top right here, this guy down there, and I think 2 on the bottom. We're gonna see when we get down there. All right, we got all our bolts back in for this plastic piece, and now we're just gonna remove these 2 and those 2 so that we can have more play here. I might just leave it like it is actually. It's just loose, so that we can get our plastic fan shroud back in. Right, now that we got our fan shroud back in, route your electric wire how it was. Mine was not probably where it's supposed to be, but that's where I'm putting it. Tighten down your radiator bracket here and here. The only thing left to do after you got all that stuff put back together is fill your coolant back up. Don't forget to close your drain so that you don't dump it onto the ground, because I definitely haven't done that for sure. Definitely I haven't. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so I can make more content. And stay independent out there.